like them. It sucks me out and doing like them.
Hi guys! Well, I'm having a good hair day. I thought I would put this one up too because it came today too. And well, I'll put it up tomorrow. I'll put this one up, the other one up today. But since I got this one too, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do it. Let's stick it up here and we're going to do this. Now, as you know, Ipsy does not sponsor my channel. They do not send me this. Our next drop shop is coming in hot. Mega drop shop. Sale starts on 1/8. You are the main attraction. I'm always the main attraction. What's wrong with you? What is wrong with these people? When are they going to figure this out? That's why I told my mom. She was talking about my aunt saying she wasn't going to come over for Christmas till we got our stuff done. And I said, Mom, you tell her I'm not listening to her crap. She needs to learn to understand Christmas is not about her. It's about me. Because, my birthday's the day after. I said, even God felt the need to interrupt Christmas for my sake. So you just tell her I don't want to hear it. Tell her to get her butt over there because I'm not doing this. This is the bag this time. And it's got a little ball. Merry Christmas, ho, ho, ho. I'm so ready for Christmas to be here. I don't even know why. Okay, so this week, I got Silka. This month, and if you're not familiar with Ipsy, I believe they just upped it again. I think it's $16 a month now, but I will put it on the screen what they upped it to. I can't remember if it was 16 or 17, but they did up it again. And, Ipsy, what up, man? What up? And like I said, I haven't resubscribed to BoxyCharm because after Ipsy took it over, I'm still waiting for them to get their shit together with it. So, and I've been watching it, and it's like, I don't know. I'm about ready, but I'm not quite there yet. Okay? So let's get into it. I got Silk E Detangler, and that's what that is. And it's leave-in conditioner. And it is, 1.1 ounce. It's just 1 ounce. But I use it I use leave-in conditioner all the time. And we're not going to comment on my shirt because it's one of my team shirts. And it's been washed. They hold up really well. And this one brought, I swear to God, I adjusted. Okay, let's see how much this is. I'm going to have to get me a magnifying glass out here. Ooh, full size is $22. And it is 200 mil. Let's see how many mil this is. It'll be easier to do it that way. This is 80 mil. So a little bit bigger than that. About 3 times as big as that. But I'll do the math on the screen because that's what I do. And then we have, let's see what else. We got anything else that's opened? Yeah, we got this. It's not in a box. I don't mean open, not in a box. This is Tresluce Beauty. This is Tresluce Beauty. And this is a Fusion Volumizing Lengthening Mini Mascara in Jet Black. And we'll look at see, it's got one of those little skinny ones. And I don't know what full size it goes for. I think full size is $16. And we'll do that last because I'm kind of excited. I'm kind of excited about this one. And then we got Manna Kadar Beauty. I just dropped another one. Jeez. And this is a Diamond Dust roll-on. And I don't know how I feel about this. I saw this in somebody else's box, and I was like, and they said the same thing. They didn't know how they thought about it either. And I'm like, no. First of all, it's Diamond Dust, and it's let's see, what's it say? Roll-on pigment shadow. I don't know if I like that whole concept. because I don't want something like that near my eyes, because my eyes are so sensitive anyway. But it's just kind of, you know, I'm just not, I don't think I like the concept, to be honest with you. Ooh, God. I went across there a couple times because I kind of thought, oh, but if you go once, it's like that. But it's, yeah, they mean diamond dust. I'll give them that. But I might take a brush and put it on here and roll it, but I'm not going to put it on my eyes. But look at that. And that would really be good for bringing out other pigments too. Yes. So, I mean, but I wouldn't put it directly on my eyes. No, and I agree with that. I would not do that. I don't think I would do that. I don't like the concept. Ugh, come on. I dropped something again. Oh, my back. Ladies, 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 don't ever get old, because I've heard that all my life, and I'm like, well, would you rather me die? Stops them in their tracks, and I'm like, it's not because you're old that you hurt. It's what's causing the pain, you know, arthritis or whatever. It's not because you're old. My grandma used to get so mad at me, and I'm like, well, some people never get that. Okay, then we have this. It's Ren Cosmetics. I've been seeing that everywhere lately, and I'll be honest with you, my daughter-in-law's name is Rhiannon, but we call her Ren. And, you know, my United Nations family. And she's the one who's bipolar, and bless her heart, she does try. And I couldn't imagine walking around with all that chaos in your mind, and she's done a lot better with age. But there's this singer, he's kind of a rapper, and his name's Ren. And he's got this song, Hello Ren. And it came on my feed, and I'd never heard it before. It's a great song. And I like him, I really do. It's a great song, but I can just see her singing that, because it's just her life. Hi, Ren. Yeah, I can just see it. Bless her heart. I love her to death. I wouldn't want anything to happen to her. Okay, well, we got Ren Skincare Overnight Glow Dark Spot Sleeping Cream. So that's what we got. Boy, that's a mouthful. So, here's what the box looks like. I forgot to show you the box. And here's what the stuff looks like. That's that. Well, now I'm really confused. There's no lid on this. What happened to the lid? Now I am really confused. There is no lid on this. Ipsy, what you doing, man? And it's got one of them pokey things, so you have to have a lid to open it. Huh. I now have glitter everywhere from this bag. Thank you, Ipsy. But, let's see. I don't have a lid for this, so I don't know what to do with it. It didn't come in the box. I don't know. I'll have to call them and say, hey, my stuff didn't have a lid on it, and I can't open it. And then I got this. This is Poets of Berlin, and this is a perfume sample. And it's 17 fluid ounces. And that's how big that is. And that's what that looks like. Let's see what it smells like. I am so excited about getting perfumes in here every time. I've been getting them every time, and I'm really excited about it. Oh, I love that. It's got, what does it? It's got a hint of, I think a hint of cedar and a hint of cinnamon. But, and like a vanilla flower. Not the actual vanilla in the scent, but the vanilla flower scent, which is much better. So yeah, let's see how much full size of that is. Probably $950. Oh, at our price range, ladies, $250. I think that's what it says. I see a 0, I see a 5, and I see a 2. You're kidding me. $250 for a full size, which is 100 milliliters. Whoa. How much did we get? 17? No, we got ounces on here. That's all we got was ounces. Oh my. That's expensive. That's expensive. But we're going to just go with that. Let's see, they got milliliters on here. Anywhere. I bet they do. Made in France. Made in France. It's $250 for a full bottle of perfume. See why I like getting these? You know, people think I just smell like money. You know, when they ask me, well, what do you wear it? Poets of Berlin. Just like I'm some hotsy-totsy woman in the low-class bar. Can you see it? Can you see it? I don't even go to the bar anymore. I haven't been forever. Probably need to. I just need to go and just kick my Crocs off and say, screw you people. I may be old, but I ain't dead. Anyway, guys, like I said yesterday, I'm just slapping these up as soon as they come in. This came in yesterday, so I put it up, it came in Monday. This will go up Tuesday. No, yeah, this will go up Tuesday, and then I'll put the Walmart up Wednesday. That's how I'll do it. Anyway, then I've got a couple more FabFitFuns coming because they wouldn't let me have them at the other times. So I'll throw them up because and I got them before the controversy. So don't come for me. I got them before the controversy. I am not anti-Semitic. I have Jewish friends. But I got it before the controversy, and I always get them for my mother and my sister for Christmas. So yes, I'm still going to put them up because I'm not going to waste my money. Don't come at me. Okay. Like and subscribe. Hold the phone. Like, subscribe. Do all the YouTubey stuff.